You can take the blankets and such.
Oh, damn.
Darlene! Now, we're here to have a good time, but let's do it in a Christian manner.
I'm sorry, Mr. Brown.
Here, dear, this is for you.
Hey, give me some, buddy.
Screw you. You didn't even want to rob that liquor store. Besides, you cried like a baby when I shot the clerk.
Look, I was just bitching because we didn't get any money. Just a goddamn ball of Jack.
Then why didn't you go for the cash register, stupid?
Because you start shooting like Pancho Villa, you crazy mother. You always start shooting for no reason at all. You killed the guard, and you probably killed the clerk, too.
Probably. No probably about it. I killed them both. Besides, if I hadn't killed that guard, they'd have put us in a hot box for a month.
Hey, buddy, my leg hurts bad, man.
Christ. I'm not gonna wait for you. Shit. All you did was catch 2 lousy pellets. All I did was tear the skin.
Shit. You motherfucker.
Oh, what time did the boys say they'd be here?
Well, about 2, as soon as the ball game is over.
That's a fine how do you do. The purpose of good Christian fellowship is fellowship. Good times together. How can we have good times together when half the group isn't even here?
Tom, dear, they'll be here.
And we can't eat without them.
My old lady was Italian. Sweet Jesus, the meals that woman used to make. Hey, buddy, you hit from the bottle?
Nope.
Antipasto, lasagna, gallons of cool, cool wine. H us and put it in our wine glasses. Bet you could go for that right now, couldn't you, buddy?
What I'd like is a nice piece of ass. Warm, tender, and juicy.
Yeah.
Maybe we could pass the time with one of our group discussions. We could discuss the role of the true Christian in today's world and how the teachings of the Bible are often scorned, ignored, even...
I feel that I have an obligation to obey all God's words. Every Christian does, right to the letter. You know, the reason for all this moral decay is that everyone ignores the Bible's... Well, the reason for all the moral decay is that everyone ignores the Bible's own words. There is a time for every purpose under heaven. And I really believe that.
I think you do, Evelyn. I really think you do.
I do. No, it isn't. She's missing the group discussion, which is one of the reasons why we all got together.
For heaven's sakes, Tom, stop worrying. Let's get back to the discussion.
The Bible doesn't say that sex is bad. But there's a time and a place for it. I'll be back soon, hon.
Hey, Darlene, when is all this cloak and dagger stuff going to stop? You know, I mean, Christ.
Soon. I told my dad he got accepted to college, and I think he's going to change his mind.
Screw him.
Oh, come on, he'll come around. I'll see you after a while.
All right.
Some sort of woods, you know. Delicious fried chicken, dear.
You'll excuse me all. Richard's calling.
Girls, I think it's time we showed our slides and movies again. Don't you, dear? It'd be instructive to grow. Darlene, we were worried about you. I was just about to get up and come looking for you.
I'm sorry. I just got carried away with the beauties of nature.
Oh, isn't that nice?
No berries, darling?
Isn't that a shame? I guess they're out of season.
We've given up on the boys. I guess the baseball game was too much competition.
My gosh, these wide open spaces sure give you a great appetite. This is my third piece of chicken. Would you pass me a root beer, please, Greta? Oh. Thank you.
Oh.
Most excitement of the day.
Oh, that is nice and cold. Would you like a sip, my dear?
Yes.
Food. Chicks. A day school picnic. Can you fucking believe that?
And look at all that food, man.
Bully, you crazy man. You can't go out there like that. Let me go, you son of a bitch, or I'll kill you, I swear. What are you gonna do, go out there and kill all of them? If one blows the whistle on us, we've been had. If you kill the girls, all we got is food, man. There's more to be had out there than food.
Hey, I've got a plan. Hello there.
Oh, hello there. Can I help you?
Yeah, I hope so.
Hey, looks like we're in luck, huh, Zach?
Yeah, thank God. I'm Zachary Wilkins,
My name's Brown.
and this is Bud Crenshaw.
Bud?
We're geologists with the State Earthquake Safety Board.
Yeah, we've been doing some field work around here, man.
Fault lines hereabout. Our Jeep rolled down a ravine last night, about 30 miles back, and we've been walking ever since.
Yeah, this is mighty desolate country. Mighty desolate.
Lost all our food and water when the Jeep crushed it.
We had ourselves one hell of a time. Shit.
Oh, what department of the government did you say you were with?
The State Earthquake Safety Board.
Here, sit down. You gentlemen must be famished.
Carlotta,
You two eat now. We'd be glad to take you to town later.
It's very Christian of you, ma'am. Yes, indeed. I always suppose it's all right. Very Christian.
Mr. Wilkins. Mr. Wilkins.
Hey, Mr. Wilkins. Huh? The lady's speaking to you, Mr. Wilkins.
Oh.
We better be going back to town. Somebody will probably be looking for you, and
Oh, no. Oh, no. No one's expecting us, ma'am.
Look, you've already been so good to us. We don't want to spoil your picnic. We can wait till you're ready to go.
There. Back up.
about you, but I'm bushed.
Come on, play the game. Oh. 3 against 2 and they still lose.
Oh, boy, my bushed.
Uh-oh.
Oh, come on, come on.
That was in.
Come on.
All right, here comes out.
Here, get the net up.
Uh-oh.
That was in.
Come on.
All right, that's out. Here comes.
Blackton, don't worry about it.
Yay.
Why don't you get on their side? You guys get through too.
Hey, that was our point. We served.
Hey, are you girls interested in geology? Didn't you
Yeah.
take that in some of your classes?
A little.
What do you say that Mr. Wilkins and I go take you for a walk? We can look at rocks and fault lines.
Yeah, at cracks and stuff. Sound interesting?
Sure.
Good, good.
No, I'm tired. I think I'll go lie in the sun.
That's a good idea. Why don't you?
Okay, let's go. Come on.
That poison ivy? Oh, wow. Interesting rock. Hey, what kind of rock is that?
That? Oh, that's, let's see. The Latin name slips my mind right now.
That's sandstone.
Yeah.
No, it looks a lot like granite to me. Well, hey, what kind is this?
That's what we call a heavy rock.
Come on, you guys, get to the point. You didn't bring us out here to look at rocks.
You came out here to get your rocks off.
Get your rocks off. Wow. School has sure changed, buddy, since we went.
We don't dig the Sunday school scene. We just do it to keep our parents happy.
Well, one thing about you two scientists is you talk too much. And you're too analytical.
Look out, everybody. This is heavy.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I'm going to go look for everybody now. We're just about ready to leave, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll go get the other things.
Fine. Well, girls, this is a fine thing. You might at least told us where you were going. Gentlemen, I'm shocked to see...
Clam up, Teach.
What the devil do you mean?
I said to shut that fucking hole. Now get in that car.
Get! What are you going to do with us?
Yeah, buddy, what are you going to do? You drive, Teach. We're going to take these lovely people in their nice car to that old abandoned mining town you were telling me about. Now, you said you could find some dynamite there, right?
Yeah, there's a load of it in the mine, but...
But we're going to stop at a pay phone on the way and announce ourselves to the sheriff.
The cops are swarming the country looking for us right now. We're going to stop at a phone?
That's right. We'll put these people in one of those old abandoned buildings with enough dynamite under them to blow them to Venus. Then we're going to demand $100,000 ransom and a plane to take us to Cuba.
Or they go to Venus.
Right, Brother Zach.
You can't get away with this, you know.
Don't you watch me? Something like this happens every week on the news. Now get this car rolling. Get out of here. If you try to stop us, we'll kill them. If you try to find us, we'll kill them. Now, you better have that plane fueled and on the runway at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And make sure the money's on it. Now, we're going to bring one of them to the airport with us. So don't have none of them FBI sharpshooters or none of that shit, because we'll kill them, man. Look, when we get out over the water, we'll have the pilot radio back directions so you can find them. Now, don't screw up. Okay, get in the car. Okay, get out of here.
Faster, Teach, or I'll blow a hole in you big enough for the Holy Ghost to fly in. I'm going as fast as I can. They believe me, man. We're celebrities. We're gonna get on that plane tomorrow like movie stars. And all the pigs will be able to do is wave goodbye. Because we're taking little Evelyn here for insurance.
Oh, you don't have to take me. I want to go with you, buddy.
Okay. In the building. You sure are a good lay, honey. But you sure are stupid. Now everybody just sit there quiet while Zach has got his work to do. Okay, Zach, set up the dynamite.
Right, buddy.